Are you having problems with limited Wi-Fi on your Android TV and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So what we need to do firstly is to just scroll to the settings wheel right here, as you can see. So here is the settings wheel, and then you're going to click on the OK button on your remote. And that should take you to this page right here, as you can see. So now what we need to do on this page right here is to just keep scrolling down until you get to system right here. So click on OK here, as you can see, and then you're going to actually scroll down and click on date and time here. So this right here where it says automatic date and time. So if you have this one set to off, you need to actually set it to auto synchronization, because this, for some reason, if you have like completely incorrect date and time to where you are right now, actually your Wi-Fi will probably not work, just so you know. It's going to be like limited, there's going to be bugs. So if you can auto sync it, do it. If you can't, you can always set the date right here and also set the time. But to be honest, the most important seems to be the date right here. So let's say that today, I think it's the 10th of September, so I have to set it to the 10th of September instead. And yeah, basically try that, or you can also auto sync here. Of course, it's going to auto sync your date and time. And very important here, this set time zone, so make sure that your time zone in here is also correct, because if you have incorrect time zone to where you are right now, that might also actually bug with your Wi-Fi. This might sound a bit strange why this actually does this, but trust me, when I fix this, like, my Wi-Fi has been working perfectly since that. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to go back and I'm going to go into my network and internet here. And as you can see from me right here, it says connected. Before it says connected but limited or something like that. But once I fix the time, it actually just works smoothly now. So try this, and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.